It's Bruce Metro 2. I want to lay out the levels and what you should expect when you enroll into this Data Furnisher Business School. Starting off with the first level, which is the entry access. As a beginner, if you've never really understood data furnishing, you've just heard about it, rumors, he, she say this, that, but you just want to learn the overview first, all right? Because you're agreeing to this world. For those that are brand new to this and that are beginners, join the first level. It's the Data Furnisher Basic Program. In this level, it entails a course and strictly just that introductory, that course that tells you exactly what you want to understand the gist of. And that's this world of data furnishing and, what it is and, what you need to be eligible to be one, okay? And a little bit of golden nuggets to get you in an easy, comfortable space where you're not overwhelmed with too much info. You just have the right amount of capacity of fundamentals, and you secure that so you can move on to the next stage. It's about you having an easy, digestible way of getting the right information. It's not about, jamming it all down into your brain, because that's not going to work out like that. All right. So the next ascension is the Data Furnisher Premium, which as you're learning, you're already on the right path. You can seamlessly transition in your knowledge and getting that power to move closer and closer to data furnishing. Now you're in this premium program, you'll have access to what you didn't have access all from, being just in that basic program. The premium has everything you really need for real, okay? Past the introductory stage. Now that you seasoned with that, novice level information, now you can move up to intermediate and then now to pro. And now this is where the community, you have access to that, being a part of this program, this new level. You have all of the people that I've been, coaching up, that I've been actively enrolling into this community that you can network with and connect with. And think about the value of having a community around making this a business for yourself. People that are in the same field, on the same journey, aspiring the same business as you. You can now connect with and learn from that are ahead of you. And it's about having people that are one step, two steps ahead of you. That's the real easy transition sauce. You're able to transition easily when you have somebody who is maybe one step ahead of you. You already have that person's feedback, what he's did right to get him over to that next step that you can just take advantage of without you having to make a mistake. Now you're not in the dark and you're making all the right moves because you have people that are 1, 2, 3 steps ahead of you. All right. Now, to climb that ladder, I would advise for you to join that community. And that's now where all the money is valued from, for real. The value is the community itself. So you have the course itself, which is the more higher level, more advanced course, above just that introductory course that you learned in the basic. This new course is pretty much the intricacies. It's the moving parts. It's the things that you need to have that requires higher level thinking and a person that already did this before to tell you about, in a way, because they already did it, a way that's easy to understand. That's how you know somebody knows their stuff. When they're able to talk about something that to the outside world, people who are green to this, a way that when you talk it, it's a manner that's easy to digest. You know what I'm saying? Like you're going to school and enjoying yourself with what you're learning. That's the type of teacher that you want to be involved with if you're trying to learn a business like this. Any business, real estate, anything. The moral is you don't want to just have one-on-one mentorship. I honestly think just that alone, if a mentor in any business, I'm just going to talk about this, is just offering that and he don't got no active growing community behind all of his teaching that trusts him and can back up him knowing his stuff, you shouldn't go with them. And so tap in with that inclusion, the community, the course, and I would love to have y'all see y'all success. And I'm giving y'all an offer where if I don't get y'all to 100K in 250 days with you creating and selling trade lines, and you don't have that happen, I'm going to give you $3,000 in cash out of my pocket personally, because I understand how powerful this is when I unlet it onto somebody else's business endeavor. You know what I'm saying? Somebody else hustling using this information. If I share this to them, I know how powerful it is to change your life financially, because it helped me make $10,000 in 1 month. And if I can make that in 1 month, chilling. And I didn't have all the blueprint, you know what I mean? I had pretty much 10% of this real, accurate, actual right information, like actual proper protocol. I was just like freestyling this. I just got into that and just was green to all of these moving parts that in hindsight and just forged trench work, me putting in the real life legwork type of wisdom, I can now duplicate to y'all, and y'all not have all the advantage in the world getting this from a person who's did this life before, who's really reported credit and not just did that, but did it the right way, positively credit reporting, making money, charging people to sell them that type of primary trade line. So that's the next level, Data Furnisher Premium. That's where the meat and the potatoes is really at, y'all. So y'all have the option to pay in full for what I'm charging to get a part of that, that community and that program. So you get these powers, you know what I'm saying? Primary trade line reporting. Or you can just pay me every single month, and you'll have access to doing all of what you want at your own risk. If you want to put credit on your own credit report at your own risk, I don't condone like having you do that. However, it is what it is. The free will is inevitably there. People still might have this thing where they want to do that, and I can't control that. So that's also there for those that want to just at their own discretion use this power, despite my disclaimer, you know what I mean? And obviously what I'm recommending, you having the power to put trade lines on your client's report too and make y'all that money, you know what I mean? Just like how I did, and now how I know, because I did it myself, you can do too. And scale it to 100K plus, surpassing the money that I know I made. You know what I'm saying? So tap in, it's Metro 2. I got the link for where I have all of that hosted, where you can now enroll at this school app and you can get started, okay? Today, and change our life. Only at a fraction of the cost, which, I could charge way more for what y'all getting a return with. This power that y'all getting for real. This is a timeless strategy that works, that has been working. This is not new. And it's just being brought to the light from somebody who can articulate the moving parts. All right? So peace, links in the description. Look forward to y'all success, man. Peace out.